Hey everyone, if your images look blurry, pixelated, low quality, or lose sharpness after editing in Pixlr, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Pixlr image quality problems in 2026. First, check the quality of the original image before you start editing. If the source image is low resolution, heavily compressed, or blurry, the final result may never look completely sharp no matter how much editing you do. Next, avoid enlarging small images. When you increase an image beyond its original size, Pixlr has to stretch the pixels, which can make the image appear blurry or pixelated. Another common cause of quality loss is exporting with low-quality settings. Before saving your project, choose the highest quality option available and use a suitable file format for your needs. For social media graphics and thumbnails, make sure you're using the correct canvas size from the beginning of the project. Creating designs at the proper dimensions helps maintain image quality throughout the editing process. Another helpful tip is to use high-resolution photos whenever possible. Starting with better source material gives Pixlr more information to work with and usually leads to better results. And that's how to fix Pixlr image quality problems in 2026. In most cases, using high-resolution images, avoiding excessive resizing, and exporting at the highest quality settings will help you achieve the best possible results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.